soda and vinegar. So we'll need 15 ml of vinegar to pour into the test tube. Let's do it. We'll need a full scoop of baking soda to pour into the balloon. Let's do it. It's hard to get it in there. Now we need to put the balloon to the mouth of a test tube, just like this. Take an adult's help or your dad's help for this. Oh no, it's boiling, it's boiling!